Cities all over have interesting stories to tell. One such city is Salzburg in Austria. Nestled at the northern edge of the Alps, Salzburg is a symphony of Baroque architecture, emerald green hills, and a musical heritage that breathes through every cobblestone alley. In the heart of this UNESCO World Heritage jewel, perched elegantly along the banks of the Salzach River, stands a legend of hospitality, Hotel Sacher. Opened in 1866 as the Österreichischer Hof, this heritage structure is more than just a hotel. It's a witness to history. For over 150 years, its grand halls have hosted poets, musicians, and world leaders. As one of the few remaining privately owned grand hotels, its architecture remains a masterpiece of the Habsburg era. Inside, you are greeted by one of the largest private art collections in Austria, original 19th century paintings, and priceless antiques that whisper stories of a golden age. Each of the rooms and suites is uniquely designed, curated with a meticulous eye for detail. The heavy silks and warm color palettes create a sanctuary of comfort. But perhaps the greatest luxury is just outside your window. Private balconies that offer a front row seat to the Salzach River and the majestic Hohensalzburg fortress. No visit is complete without indulging in the hotel's most delicious secret, the original Sacher-Torte. This world-famous chocolate cake can be enjoyed in the red velvet elegance of the Sacher Cafe. For a savory journey, the hotel's award-winning restaurants offer a fusion of Alpine tradition and modern fine dining, all served with the impeccable, world-class service that has become the Sacher hallmark. Step outside and the beauty of Salzburg will sweep you away. You are moments away from Mozart's birthplace, the vibrant shops of Getreidegasse, and the enchanting Mirabell Gardens. Whether you are here for the world-renowned Salzburg Festival or a romantic getaway, the Hotel Sacher is your gateway to it all. History, elegance, and the heart of Salzburg, all waiting for you. Experience the extraordinary. Experience Hotel Sacher.